Every single class in Bash++ has a method called toPrimitive. You see there are objects, like this, and then there are primitives, like this. That's a primitive, a regular old shell variable, call it a primitive. And so there's a default conversion method, toPrimitive. So let's give an example of that. John, why not? His name is John Q Public after all. Echo John.toPrimitive. And that's a default method which is included in every single class. So let's go ahead and call it. Let's clear this. You can see person instance. As a matter of fact, also, we don't have to put the .toPrimitive. If you call the object directly in a place where primitive is expected, it'll call the toPrimitive method automatically. And you'll see here's the same result, person instance. But we can override the toPrimitive method. So we could say public method toPrimitive, and we could say echo, I don't know, for instance, this.name. That might be a useful description for a person. So we could say echo John, that'll call toPrimitive and put this.name. And there you go, John Q Public. Or you could say person with name, John Q Public.